What's on? So today we've got this Mini Countryman from one of my clients who was on the maintenance plan with his last vehicle and he just bought this new car. It's massive. I don't know why they're so big. Obviously it's a Mini. But yeah, so he wanted an exterior clean and a ceramic coating, 5-year ceramic coating. Obviously we started off with a pre-wash and a snow foam, as you can see in the video, and it's quite a special video today. It's kind of, it's not sponsored, but I got a care package from Beneath Zero, which is like a detailer's, they sell detailing products. So after the pre-wash, I rinsed all that off, and then I had a look at the box. I hadn't probably looked in the box, and there's a new barrel brush in there from Beneath Zero, which is really good and looks quite nice. So I thought I'd use it on the Mini. Put the yellow wheel cleaner on it, gave it a bit of a snow foam. There's the new barrel brush, all nice and shiny and new. Chuck it in the bucket, and then we start with the tyres, then the face, and then we get on with that barrel brush, which was actually quite good. Once we've done the wheels, we rinse all the wheels off and make sure they're all nice and clean. And then we move on to snow foaming the vehicle again. That's another Beneath Zero product which I received in my little care package. Slam that in the bucket and yeah, get the snow foam on, and we can start off with a contact wash. So it's really important to get that pre-wash on and get as much of the road dirt and grime as we possibly can, and then we can stop as much soil marks and just keep the car nice and fresh. And then once the contact's done, we wash off all the soap suds, and then another Beneath Zero product there, which is one of their, I think it was the premium drying towel. Dried the car with that. Obviously the car needs to be dry before we can go on with the ceramic coating. So once the vehicle was dried, I noticed that the bonnet had quite a lot of swell marks on it. The rest of the car wasn't too bad. The customer didn't want to pay for a polish, which is fine. So I thought I'll just do the bonnet. It seems is the worst part, and obviously the most noticeable part as well. So I took the car into the warehouse of the client, started with the ceramic coating. So like I said, this is a 5-year ceramic coating. We did the cross hatchings, and then I think it was a 3-minute flash time. And then once it's flashed off, we can buff it off. So speed when I'm doing the doors, that's what I mean with the cross hatches. You go up and down, side to side, make sure you haven't missed any. And then I forgot I had my light in the van, so I put my light on so I can see it a little bit better. But yeah, that's the car, ceramic coated, looking all nice and shiny. Customer was over the moon, as always, and thanks for Beneath Zero for giving me all the little care packages, all the little bits and bobs that we use in the video. Happy days.